Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Playing around with the new Hello Kitty and Colourpop collection. This collection is super cute. It has Hello Kitty and friends pretty much all over it. Super excited because I love Hello Kitty and I just think everything is super cute. So the collection is launching on December 4th at 10 a.m. PST. I do want to mention really quick, I know that there's some restrictions on this collection. Due to licensing restrictions, they are unable to ship to Mexico, Hong Kong, Brunei, Cambodia, East Timor, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, India, and no lip products to Japan. I'm not exactly sure like why that is, or like, you know, I don't really know like too much into like licensing things. Leave those down below just in case you live in any of those areas and wanted to get the collection. There are some restrictions, so I don't believe there's any pricing yet online, but when I find out I will let you guys know and I'll put it in the description box for you guys. So let's get into it. This is like a little bit of a smaller collection. First thing that we have is the Snow Much Fun palette, and it has like a little snow globe with Hello Kitty and friends on it, and it does have some glitter little snowflakes. Lavender packaging, so it's right up my alley. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. I will put close-ups on the screen, but it just says slay all day, and the little snow has some like sparkle to it. It's a 9-pan palette, and we have some mattes and shimmers in here. Are like the square pans now. I'm not sure if Colourpop is doing like square pans in their palettes now. I hope not, because I really love their little like circle pans, but when I was like done filming, I was like, what palette does this look like? And then I remembered it looks like the Kylie Cosmetics Stormy palette. Like, it's super similar, and I've been spending like the last like 20 minutes trying to find the palette and I can't find it anywhere. I do have a video on that palette though. I'll put it in the little eye thingy up here if you guys want to look at it. I think I still have the swatches on my computer, so if I can, I will put those comparisons next to each other if you guys want to see swatch comparisons, if maybe you have that palette already, or you know, if you just want to see the comparison. But I'll throw that out there really quick because like I swear for like the last like 15 minutes I was like, what palette does that look like? Because like right when I opened it I was like, it looks like something and I just can't remember, and then I finally like it clicked. Next thing that we have in the collection, Snow Cute little mini Glitterly Obsessed set. Our 4 Glitterly Obsessed in here. We have Twinkle Me, Cozy Glow, Skate Date, and Ice Sparkle. Twinkle Me is more of a lavender Glitterly Obsessed with some stars in it. Ice Sparkle is pink with some multicolored glitter in there. Skate Date is more of those like clear multi-glitter Glitterly Obsessed. And Cozy Glow, which is more of like a warm gold bronzy kind of yellowy glitter. So those are the little mini glitters in the set. Next thing that we have is the Big Surprise Luxe Gloss Trio, and there are 3 glosses in here. Packaging on this is so cute. It has Hello Kitty like in a little gift box, and it has that same like sparkle throughout the packaging as well. This is what the 3 luxe glosses look like. We have Icicle Pop, which is just one of those like clear glosses with some pink iridescent to it. Chili is more of a cool toned pink gloss. Big Bow is a more mid-tone pink gloss with some gold sparkle throughout it. That is the little trio. And next we have 2 blushes. Packaging on the blushes, one is pink and then one is lavender, and it has that same like iridescent sparkle on the actual packaging itself. These are what the 2 blushes look like. They do have an Hello Kitty like stamp imprinted in them. So one is more of a warmer pink and then one is a more cool toned pink. Frost Sight is the more cool tone one and Bundled Up is the more warmer one. Last thing we have in this collection is the Snow Kissed Lip Care Kit, and inside we have a Peppermint Cookie Lippy Scrub and a Peppermint Cookie Lip Mask. And packaging on this, adorable, and it has some sparkle to it as well. We have Hello Kitty on the lid. One is just pink and one is lavender. And yeah, one is a lip mask, one is a lip scrub. So cute little lip care set. So that is everything in this collection. I will link everything down below once it is available. Since this is a collab, I'm not sure if my code will work on it, but if you guys want to try it, my code is just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off. And just in case the code doesn't work on this collection, if you want to grab anything else on Colourpop while you're shopping, my code will work on like regular products, so you can use it on that. So this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the little lip care set, and in here we have a lippy scrub and a lip mask. And first of all, They smell really good. I use a lip scrub right now because I don't really feel like I need to. Love the packaging because it's like pink and lavender. Very me. I use the lip mask though. This one is also in peppermint cookie. I thought they were different scents, but they're the same. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this right now while I do my makeup. Really nice. It just feels so hydrating. Let's move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna take the palette. This is the So Much Fun palette. This packaging is adorable. So I'm gonna start off with Burr Baby, and that is like the lavender shade in here. Make sure you guys can tell what colors I'm gonna be using in this palette. Starting off with that shade, and my eyes are already primed. So I'm just gonna pack this on into the crease, a little bit on the outer corner. And I'm using this as my transition shade. That one's really light, and that's what I wanted as a transition. It's like the perfect pinky lavender. It does go on really light, but it's actually building up nicely. Like, I am seeing a lot of pigment from a really light shade. I'm gonna go into this one down here. I'm gonna tap off a lot of the excess because I want to start off really lightly. So I'm just gonna kind of put this on the outer corner, or I'm starting there at least. And I'm gonna take that into the crease a little bit. Go back with Burr Baby to blend the edges out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Snowwear, which is this like plummy shade down here. It has a little bit of sparkle in it, but I'm gonna probably tap off some of the sparkle. And I'm gonna put this along the outer part of my lash line. I'm gonna do like a wing with this color on like a little bit of a smaller brush. This is a Colourpop lip brush. Just creating a wing with this shadow. Ooh, okay, I never do this, but I'm living. And don't worry about like being messy or anything. You could just clean this up. This all the way across, but I'm going like really thin towards the inner part of my eye. So just like that, and it just kind of fades towards the inner part of the eye. I like it because this shadow does have a little bit of like that glitter in it too. So inner part of my like lid, I am gonna go in with Cuddle Weather, which is the lavender like metallic in here. Take it with a brush first and see, but I might go in with my finger. I'm just gonna put this like right here. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. The iridescent pinky purple. I'm not even going like all the way on my lid. I'm mainly focusing it like right here. That way like when the light hits it, it's like really noticeable, but it's almost kind of like a sheer base eyeshadow where you really just see like a lot of the sparkle. I love this. So I'm not taking it all the way. I'm really kind of stopping like where the majority of where I started doing the eyeliner. So that way it doesn't like overpower the eyeliner, you know? I love that. I'm gonna do that on this eye really quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and did my base. I will leave down below what I have on. But we're gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna take this one. This one is at Frost Sight. By the way, I did clean up the liner with some concealer as well, just to like sharpen it up, and it just made it look so much better. I love how the eyeliner came out, but this is so cute. It has little Hello Kitty imprinted in the blush. It's really cute. So I'm just gonna take some and just apply this to my cheeks. This is a matte blush, I think. Oh no, there is some sparkle in it. It's not a super cool toned pink either. Well, a little bit, but it's not too cool tone. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the other blush as well. This one is bundled up, like a little bit of that, just to add a little bit of warmth. I'm gonna take one of the Glitterly Obsessed, which is rare, but I want to add a little bit of glitter to this look. Yeah, I'm gonna take the pink one, which is Ice Sparkle. I'm gonna take like literally like the tiniest amount of this and put that kind of over top where we put that shimmer on my lid. And when I say I'm taking like the tiniest amount, I literally mean like the tiniest amount. There we go. It just adds like a little hint of glitter. If you ever add a little too much glitter, just take a spoolie and just kind of flick it off. Just like that. It just adds like the tiniest amount of glitter. I just felt like glitter was really fun for this like look and this collection, you know. So for the lower lash line, I think we're just gonna do something really simple. I don't think I'm gonna do anything super crazy. I'm just gonna take the pink shade that we used, this one. I'm just gonna take that a little bit along the lower lash line. Most of the focus on the top part of the eye. I'm debating if I want to take that like shade that I used for the liner a little bit on the lower lash line. I think I am going to take that Snowwear shade just on the outer corner to connect that to the liner up here. Perfect. I love that. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm going to take Winterful. It's this shade right here. And I'm just going to plop that on the inner corner. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of Cuddle Weather, which was the shade we used on the lid, on the inner corner as well on top of that. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes, and then we'll do the lips. I wish there was a highlighter in this collection. A highlighter in this collection would have like really made it perfect, but it's fine. I have a million highlighters, so. Okay, so for gloss, we do have the Big Surprise Luxe Gloss Trio, and I'm so excited because I love the Luxe glosses. So we have 3 of them in here. So these are the 3 in here. I think I'm going to take this one, or I don't know. We're going to see. I might take this one, but I kind of like this one too. This one's really pretty. I'm gonna take Chili first. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the Just a Tint in No Brainer just to add a little bit of color because these glosses are pretty sheer. I like that. And then I'm gonna go over with the gloss. It has like a little bit of silver glitter, I think, throughout it. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna keep this gloss because I feel like it matches the eyes a little bit better. So this is the finished look, and I really like how it came out. This was not like the look that I had in mind. I had like a completely different look, but I love how it turned out, and I think it looks so cute, and I love the little hint of glitter. I feel like that definitely adds a little touch, and it just feels like right for this collection. Let me give you guys my thoughts on everything. So the first thing, the palette, and I do like it. It's okay. It's cute. Love the packaging. The packaging is definitely like the main seller in this entire collection because everything's really, really cute. But overall, like just focusing on like the colors, it's okay. If you like don't like Hello Kitty and you're just like thinking about like, oh, palette, I don't think it's like a necessary need, but I do like the colors in here. If you skip on it, I don't think it'll be the end of the world, but if you get it, I think you'll like it if you like these colors. So the little Glitterly Obsessed kit is really cute. It's coming from someone who doesn't even use like the Glitterly Obsessed often, but all 4 shades in here are really like nice glitter shades, and I really like them, and the packaging is really cute. I feel like this would be a really good gift for somebody that does like Hello Kitty or something. I feel like I like the little mini Glitterly Obsessed more. I don't know why, because I just feel like I'll never go through the big ones. So the little ones are cute, the packaging's cute, and all 4 of them are really nice shades. This I actually do like. I think this is a first ever in any Colourpop video that I've ever said like that the little Glitterly Obsessed is probably a must, but I really like it. I know I say this all the time, but the Luxe glosses are so good, so I always recommend pretty much every lip product in like any collection, but this one is really good. I love the lip gloss colors in here. I think it's definitely very fitting for this collection. They're all really nice shades, and I definitely can see myself using all 3 shades very often. Especially I like this one. I love that like clear gloss. I love clear glosses with just like sparkle in them. They're my favorite. I love that like one clear one in here, and then that pink one is good. All 3 of these, I definitely think this is my favorite thing out of the entire collection. If you're not gonna get this for yourself, I feel like this is also a really good gift. I feel like if you are gonna pick up anything in this collection, the little lip gloss trio is like my #1 thing that I would recommend. So the blushes, they're cute. I like that it has Hello Kitty imprinted in the little pan. Color wise, I've definitely seen colors like this before from Colourpop. It's not anything special, but packaging, adorable. I mean, like I said, this is definitely like a very packaging focused collection. We said like the colors, I've definitely seen them before, but if you don't have any of them and you like Hello Kitty, then I would pick it up, but they're okay. Lastly, the little lip care kit with the scrub and the lip mask. Again, super cute, and if you like lip care stuff, and I definitely would say pick this up. This would be a really good gift, a really good stocking stuffer, just because I feel like this will work for anyone because it's just a lip scrub. It's like a lip mask, so I feel like this is actually a great gift. Like if you get this for anyone, they'll be happy with it. Plus the packaging is really cute. The actual packaging on the products is really cute as well. I love that it has Hello Kitty on it. And I feel like this would look really cute like on a vanity or something, and I just love pink and lavender together, so this is right up my alley. Overall, I do like the collection. It's just not anything like super crazy. I'm not like, wow, like I've never seen that before. Like it's just kind of okay. Like I said, packaging is like the definite winner in the collection. So that is my thoughts on everything. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, are you guys gonna pick anything up or are you just gonna pass on it? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.